Hi. I'm on my way to Spain now, I hope. Okay, so I'm traveling so much that I'm like not often at home, and I don't have a lot of time to find a silent spot. So I found this like box on the train station from Lelylaan to Schiphol, and I hope you can hear me well. If the sound is not good, I know I have to work on it, sorry, but it's about the message, I hope, you know. So today I would like to speak about breathing and of course about breathing and about that you cannot get fat from breathing. And what I mean with that, it's an amazing statistic that 70% of our toxins leave our body through the exhale. Yeah, so the other 30% are toilet visits, sweats, saliva, and stuff like that. And yeah, Amsterdam. And I was pretty amazed by that statistic because, you know, like you think, like, for example, if you drop weight, that you leave it in the toilet, right? Well, no, you actually breathe out most of the stuff. So, when we do, like, for example, Wim Hof method, like intensive breathing exercises where you over-breathe, right? Like that. I think it's very important that you breathe effortlessly. You can, you know, I've made videos about that. So not like that, but just 80% is good enough. So you get this flow of breathing and it becomes effortlessly. But then before you start holding your breath, you want to take like this full 100% breath in, like all the way to belly, chest. Let it resonate in your head. And then breathe out everything, like 100% out. This is because, you know, if you have been shaking up your system by breathing deeper 30 times and you take that last breath in, you breathe everything out, you're leaving toxins behind. And you breathe out, if you're dropping weight, 70% of the fat that you drop, you actually breathe out. So, I think that's interesting, right? So it says more and more about how important breathing is to us. And if you just learn the right techniques, because that's what it is, you know, you can learn everything, but especially breathing, because every time you do like a breathing technique, and maybe in the beginning it's not like open yet, or you feel like it's still a bit like, it could be better. You don't have to worry about it, because every time you do a breathing technique, you use your lungs more and you get more used to it and you become a better breather. So you're gonna die from breathing and you're gonna get fat from breathing. In fact, the other way around. If you learn to breathe deeply, you lose your toxins by breathing out. So please remember that when you're on your day. And I don't know, maybe you had like a active night, you know, with drinks with your friends. If you breathe like deep and breathe out fully the day after, you detox a little bit faster. Okay, this was my input for today. I'm going to do a retreat with Wim in Spain, like the summer expeditions. I will not make any videos of Wim because, you know, Wim gets harassed enough. In fact, I'm actually there to also, you know, let other people not make too many videos of Wim. And maybe I will make some videos because I'm training one group together with Kim and Tim doing the method of Wim. We're going to teach a group of 25 people, and well, maybe I can share some of the things that we teach to that group with you as well. Anyway, thanks for listening. Hope this was of any use to you, and talk to you soon.